Okay, with what happened, today on Nasdaq 100, we can say that Nasdaq 100 actually shoots up, right? We all know that the interest rate was increased, right? So, I mean, a lot of traders were all expecting, Nasdaq to drop, Nasdaq to drop. Everybody were waiting for a drop, but unfortunately, we can see this massive bullish move that was made here. So, I mean, this is one of the way, to actually take out a lot of traders. So, no doubt about that. So, we've actually gone bullish right for today. So if you are to see, probably there will be a pullback. The reason why I said there will be a pullback for the next, which is for the 2nd of February, because that there was a rejection at the same level. We also had a pullback at the same level. So we all know the rules of an uptrend move. Let's see something like, let's assume that this was a impulse move, right? Then we had a pullback and another impulse move. You can see that there was a pullback at this level where we had a reaction right previously. If you should see this again, another impulse move and see it again, there was a reaction at this level again. You can see the previous, there was a pullback that happened to this level. So now that this price has gone up, right, we should be expecting a pullback down to this same level. So what I'll be watching out for on Nasdaq 100 for the next day is actually a drop. And we can also see that when I read this statement of the Federal Reserve, it said that the interest rate will apply, it will start from tomorrow, which is from the second. The interest rate that was increased, we know will come into effect the next day. That is for the second. So I believe Nasdaq 100 will definitely have a drop. So I think since most of you must have lost on this, I'm sure most of you must have gone ahead to sell. No doubt about that. I also sold on Nasdaq 100 and I lost. No doubt about that. But one thing I know is that I will be taking a pullback soon. That is what I'll be watching out for. A pullback is what I'll be watching out for. So let me see this forward time frame. So this massive move that was made here, definitely a pullback must be made to complement it. So just watch out for a pullback. So maybe we should see if this pullback can, first let's say if this pullback can hit this level of 12,315. Currently we are trading at 12,445. So let's see if we can hit a level of 12,315 and possibly break below it. So Nasdaq 100, we should be expecting a drop for the next day. And do not forget, if you're interested in any of my personal contents that I will be sharing out, check the link below. I'll be pasting my Patreon link below. Actually check it if you're interested in any of my contents, by the way.